Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shine. Welcome to my YouTube channel Mathelite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 6E from chapter Simultaneous Linear Equations. So coming to question number 5. The sum of two numbers is 8 and the difference of their squares is 32. Find the numbers. There are two numbers. Okay, so let the two numbers be x and y. So x and y. First condition says sum of the two numbers, that is x plus y, it is 8, that is equal to 8. We already got one equation. Okay. Other condition, the difference of their squares is 32. Difference of their squares. Now whenever you are taking difference, you need to consider greater number minus smaller number. Okay, so which one is greater, which one is smaller? So it's your choice which one you want to take greater, which one you want to take smaller. According to that, the equation will change and you'll get the answer. Okay, so I'll be taking x as the greater number and y as smaller number. Okay, you can take y greater and x smaller. According to that, the answers will be interchanged. Okay, so x is greater, y is smaller. So greater number का square minus smaller number का square. Okay, so difference of their squares, difference means subtraction of their squares. So greater number का square minus smaller number का square is 32. We have squares over here, so how can we remove that? We can use the formula a square minus b square, it is equal to a plus b into a minus b, that is x plus y into x minus y is equal to 32. Okay, x plus y is nothing but 8. Okay, shifting 8 on the other side, 32 divided by 8, 8 fours are 32. Students, you have to use this method, okay, because you have to get two linear equations and use that method to find the values of x and y. You cannot just substitute y as 8 minus x and then substitute करके solve किया. Okay, that is also how you can solve, but that will be wrong method. This will not be acceptable because you have to get two linear equations and you have to solve the two linear equations and find the value of x and y. Okay, other method would be x square minus y square की जगह पे what you can do is y का value क्या ले सकते हैं, 8 minus x ले सकते हैं. Okay, and then you can do like this and solve. You will get the value of x. Once you get the value of x, you can easily find the value of y. But this will be wrong method. You are not using linear equations का method over here. Okay, so this is the reason you are supposed to know the identity. Solve, you will get two linear equations. Now you will solve two linear equations and find the value of x and y. Okay, so let us now write down the statements in proper manner and solve. So let the two numbers be x and y, where x is greater than y. I am taking x as greater number, y as smaller number. You can take y greater and x smaller. According to that, the equation will change. Okay, so second equation different hoga. It will be y minus x equal to 4 and values of x and y will be interchanged over here. Okay, so according to first condition, we are given that sum of the two numbers is 8. So x plus y is equal to 8. Second equation, we are told that the difference of their squares, so greater number ka square minus smaller number ka square is equal to 32. Okay, this is of the form a square minus b square, so we'll write it as a plus b into a minus b. What is x plus y? X plus y is 8, so substitute that, shift on the other side, we are getting x minus y equal to 4. We got two equations, we just have to solve this. So I'll add the two equations because on adding, plus y minus y will get cancelled and we'll get value of x. So adding 1 and 2, we have very basic equations over here. So x plus y is equal to 8, x minus y is equal to 4. This will get cancelled. This will give 2x, 8 plus 4 gives 12. So x is 6. Now substitute this in 1 or 2. I'll substitute in 2. So substituting x equal to 6 into. So 6 minus y is equal to 4. 6 minus 4 is equal to y. Shifting 4 over here, it will become negative, and y over here positive. So 2 is equal to y, that is y is equal to 2. We found the values of x and y. Write down the final statement, first box, and then write down the final statement. The two numbers are 6 and 2, where 6 is the greater number and 2 is the smaller number. Let's solve the next question, question number 6. The difference between two positive numbers x and y, where x is greater than y, is 4, and the difference between their reciprocals is 4 by 21. Find the numbers. It is given to us that x and y are two positive numbers where x is greater than y. X is greater number, y is smaller number. Okay. What is the first condition? The difference between two positive numbers x and y is 4. So greater number minus smaller number is equal to 4. So greater number is x, smaller number is y. So difference of the two numbers is 4. We got one equation. Okay. And the difference between their reciprocals is 4 by 21. Now you're taking reciprocal of the two numbers. So if you have x greater than y, okay, तो reciprocal में उल्टा हो जाएगा. Greater number becomes smaller number becomes greater number. Okay. How? X is greater than y. If you shift y over here, it will go in denominator. 1 upon y हो जाएगा. ठीक है. And if you shift x over here, तो it will become 1 upon x. It will also go in denominator. So you can see 1 upon y will be greater than 1 upon x. If you consider 2 and 3, okay, we know that 3 is greater than 2. ठीक है. Now if you take reciprocal, so 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, which one will have greater value? This will have 0.5 value and this will be 0.333. Okay. So which one is greater? This one is greater. So you can see 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3 when you take reciprocal. So smaller number becomes greater and the greater number becomes smaller. Alright. So 1 by y will be greater and 1 by x will be smaller. So the difference between their reciprocals, so greater minus smaller, greater of the reciprocal is this, minus smaller. Okay. So the difference between their reciprocals is equal to 4 by 21. Okay. Now let's cross multiply. So that is basically we'll take LCM. Okay. Not cross multiply, crisscross method. Okay. So this and this. So x into 1 gives x, minus y into 1 gives y, and then multiplying the denominators. So x into y. Okay. So we'll get x minus y upon xy is equal to 4 upon 21. Okay. You can see we are not getting a proper linear equation over here. So in such a case, we will not use linear equation method. Okay. Because यहाँ पे xy मिल रहा है, यहाँ पे तो कोई xy नहीं है. So what substitution we'll do? Okay. यहाँ पे 1 upon y है, 1 upon x है, यहाँ पे है क्या? नहीं है. So we should have same linear equations. We are not getting that. So how will we solve this kind of question? We have this, we have this. Now over here you notice x minus y hai. X minus y is what? 4. So I can substitute 4 over here. 4 cancel हो जाएगा. So 1 upon xy is equal to 1 upon 21. That is cross multiply. So 21 is equal to xy. ठीक है. So we are getting xy equal to 21. Now how will we find the value of x or y? Again use this over here. We know x minus y is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 plus y, shifting y on the other side. X की जगह पे we'll substitute this. X becomes 4 plus y into y is equal to 21. Y into 4 gives 4y. Y into y gives y square. Okay. So rearrange the terms. स्क्वायर वाला टर्म पहले लिखेंगे, देन y एंड देन द कांस्टेंट वैल्यू. सो y स्क्वायर प्लस 4y, पुट करेक्ट साइंस, ये भी पॉजिटिव है, ये भी पॉजिटिव है. 21 विल शिफ्ट ओवर हियर, सो -21 इक्वल टू 0. You will get a quadratic equation. Okay, so if you are not familiar with the concept of quadratic equation, you must have learned quadratic polynomial. Okay, quadratic polynomial, that is ऐसे polynomial को कैसे solve कर सकते हैं. You will split the middle term. Okay, middle term you will split. You will write it in the form of two terms. Okay, sum or difference of two terms. Now what will be the two terms? Now ये number check करो. This will give you the product of the numbers and this will give you the sum or the difference of the two numbers. 21. Okay, ऐसे कौन से दो नंबर्स है जिसको मल्टीप्लाई करके 21 मिलेगा और उनका डिफरेंस या सम लेके मुझे 4 मिलेगा. ओके, सो 21 इज 1 into 21. Okay, will the sum or difference give me 4? No. If I add, I am getting 22. If I take difference, I am getting 20. No chance. Other number 3 7s are. If I add, I am getting 10. तो 10 तो possible नहीं है. But if I take difference, 7 minus 3, it gives me 4. Okay, and 7 into 3 gives 21. Now putting the signs over here. प्लस 4 है, सो 7 minus 3 लेंगे तो ही प्लस 4 मिलेगा. इफ़ यू टेक 3 minus 7 it will give -4. So we have +4 over here. So take +7 and -3. Okay. So what you will do? 4y को you will rewrite as -3y plus 7y. Or you can write 7y पहले and 3y बाद में, -3y बाद में. It does not matter in which order you are writing. Okay, you will still get correct answer. So -3y plus 7y minus 21 equal to 0. Okay, now we'll group these two and group these two and take common. Okay, when you take common, जो bracket मिलेगा that bracket should be same. Okay, यहाँ पे जो bracket मिलेगा, यहाँ पे जो bracket मिलेगा, that should be same by default. If it is not coming same, it means you have made mistake in finding the factors. Okay, you have made mistake और साइंस का मिस्टेक है. All right, so over here I can take y common. Taking y common, what will be left? एक y चला गया, एक y बचेगा, minus 3 will remain, y went outside, so y into y minus 3. Over here I can take 7 common. Okay, so plus 7 common I'm taking, in bracket y minus 7 into how much gives 21? 7 into 3, so 3 will remain, y minus 3, y minus 3, you should get same bracket, so y minus 3. Okay, taking y minus 3 bracket common, in another bracket we'll get y plus 7. Okay, so if you take y minus 3 common, यहाँ से common लिया तो यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा, y and plus 7 is equal to 0. Now product of two brackets is 0, मतलब एक bracket तो 0 होना ही चाहिए. Okay, if I am getting answer as 0, something into something is equal to 0, मतलब either one identity is 0 or the other one is 0. If I say a into b is 0, या तो a 0 होना चाहिए या b 0 होना चाहिए, तो ही 0 मिलेगा मुझे, otherwise I am not going to get 0. Okay, so either y minus 3 is equal to 0 or y plus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, so shifting the numbers on the other side, I'll get y is equal to 3 or y is equal to -7. 3 will become positive, 7 will become negative. So y का value 3 हो सकता है या -7 हो सकता है. Now we have two positive numbers x and y. So can this be negative? So y will be positive. Once you get the value of y, you can easily find the value of x, substitute it in equation number 1. Okay, or you can substitute in the product part. xy is equal to 21 we have. Okay, so if this is 3 into what gives you 21? 7. So x is 7 and 7 minus 3 gives you 4. So it is satisfying both the equations. Okay, So this sum is little different. Let us now write down the statement in proper manner and solve it properly. We are already given that x and y are two numbers, so just write down the statement. The two numbers are x and y, where x is greater than y. Now, according to first condition, the difference of the two numbers is 4. So greater minus smaller is equal to 4. Second condition, we have reciprocals. So before moving on to reciprocal, we know that x is greater than y. So shifting y over here, it becomes 1 upon y. Shifting x over here, it becomes 1 upon x. So we know 1 upon y is greater than 1 upon x. Now the difference of the reciprocals is 4 upon 21. So greater minus smaller is equal to 4 upon 21. Now we'll use crisscross method or LCM method, whichever you find easy. LCM में क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में x मिसिंग है एंड यहाँ पे y मिसिंग है. सो हियर यू विल मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाय x, हियर यू विल मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाय y. और crisscross method, that is you will multiply x with 1 over here, it becomes x, put the sign in between, y with 1 over here, y हो जाएगा, and then you multiply the denominators. It is equal to 4 upon 21. X minus y is nothing but 4 from 1. So 4 upon xy is equal to 4 upon 21. 4 gets cancelled. So we have 1 upon xy is equal to 1 upon 21. So therefore xy is equal to 21. Over here we are not getting proper linear equations. So what we'll do? We'll substitute. यहाँ पे we'll substitute the value of x or y. So we'll use equation 1. From 1 we have x minus y is equal to 4. So I'll express x in terms of y. Okay, so x is 4 plus y. I'll substitute 4 plus y over here. So 4 plus y into y is equal to 21. I'll get a quadratic equation. Okay, so how will I solve this? I'll split the middle term. ठीक है, मिडिल टर्म को स्प्लिट करना है. सो टू सच नंबर्स जिनका एडिशन या सब्ट्रैक्शन गिव्स यू 4 एंड जिसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन गिव्स यू 21. Okay, always check the product part. If it is negative, it means both the numbers have opposite sign. Okay, and if it is positive, it means both the numbers have same sign. Okay, so if the product part over here minus 21 hai, it means both the numbers have opposite sign. So you are going to consider plus 7 and minus 3. Okay, not minus 7 and plus 3. Because minus 7 and plus 3 will give you minus 4, not plus 4. So you need plus 4, so 7 minus 3 will give you 4. And if you multiply, 7 into minus 3 will give you minus 21. Okay, so plus 7y minus 3y minus 21 equal to 0. Earlier we had written as minus 3y first and then 7y. So whichever way you write, answer is still going to come out correct. Okay, so now from the two terms we'll take common. So यहाँ से common लेंगे and यहाँ से common लेंगे. Brackets you should get same. Okay, so let's check what we are getting. So we have y square plus 7y. I can take y common. We are left with y plus 7 in the bracket. Okay, यहाँ पे I can take minus common. Okay, minus is there in both the terms. So minus, what else I can take common? 3 and 3 7s are 21. So I can take 3 common. Whenever you take minus outside the bracket, the signs inside the bracket change. Minus 3y था plus हो जाएगा. Okay, because minus बाहर चला गया. So minus 3 went outside. What you are left with? Y. And यहाँ पे भी sign will change. This was negative. This becomes plus. 3 into what gives you 21? 3 7s are. So this will become plus 7. Okay, so if you open the bracket, you should get the previous step. वापस से previous step मिलेगा. Minus 3y minus 3 into 7 gives minus 21. So just check, are you getting the previous step? Yes. Equals to 0. Y plus 7 common लेंगे. So in another bracket we get y minus 3. Okay, now product of two brackets is 0, so one of the bracket has to be 0. ठीक है, so y plus 7 is equal to 0 or y minus 3 is equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 7 or y is equal to 3. This is not possible. Okay, so just write down y equal to minus 7 is not possible because y is a positive number. Please don't use such short forms, okay? Write down full words. So therefore I can say y is equal to 3. Substitute this in 1 or 2, okay? 1 था x minus y equal to 4. So substituting y equal to 3 in equation 1. So x minus 3 is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 plus 3, that is 7. So x is equal to 7. So write down the final answer after this, box this and write down the final statement. The value of x is 7 and y is 3. Let's read the next question, question number 7. Two numbers are in the ratio 4:5. If 30 is subtracted from each of the numbers, the ratio becomes 1:2. Find the numbers. It's very easy. Two numbers that we don't know, so let it be x and y, okay? So let the numbers be x and y. Two numbers are in the ratio 4:5, that is 4/5. So you will take one number upon the other number. So x upon y is equal to 4/5. Okay, now we'll cross multiply, okay, and get a proper linear equation. So 5x हो जाएगा is equal to 4y. Shifting 4y over here, 5x minus 4y is equal to 0. This will be equation 1. We need one more equation. If 30 is subtracted from each of the numbers, the ratio becomes 1/2. So you are subtracting 30 from both the numbers. So this will become x minus 30 and y minus 30. And now if you take the ratio, it becomes 1/2. Okay. So if you have taken x upon y, तो वही रखना है, बस 30 you have to subtract from both numerator and denominator. Okay. So x minus 30 upon y minus 30 is equal to 1/2. Now again cross multiply, we'll get one more linear equation. So 2 into x minus 30 is equal to 1 into y minus 30. That is 2x minus 60 is equal to y minus 30. So 2x, shifting y over here, minus y हो जाएगा, and shifting 60 over here, 60 minus 30. So it gives 30. We got two linear equations. Now we just need to solve and find the value of x and y. That will be the value of the numbers. So it's very easy. Let us now write down the statements in proper manner and solve. So we are assuming the two numbers to be x and y. So just write down, let the two numbers be x and y. First condition states that the ratio of the two numbers is 4:5, that is 4/5. So x upon y is equal to 4/5. Whenever they say ratio, you will take first number upon second number. Okay, so x upon y is equal to 4/5. We'll solve this and we'll get a linear equation. Okay, we need one more linear equation. So what is the other condition? The second condition states that if you subtract 30 from both the numbers and then take the ratio. So if you are subtracting 30 from x, so x minus 30 upon y minus 30, it will be equal to half. Okay, again we'll solve this, we'll get one more linear equation. Now we have to solve these two linear equations and find the value of x and y. Okay, now I'll make coefficients of y same. Okay, यहाँ पे 4y है, यहाँ पे 1y है, so I just need to multiply this by 4. Okay, and coefficients will become same. You can take coefficient of x to be same. Okay, same कर सकते हैं. Take LCM of 5 and 2, that is 10. So you have to multiply this by 2, this by 5. You have to multiply both the equations. So that is little lengthy. Instead यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक को ही multiply करना पड़ेगा. So that is why I am making coefficient of y same. So multiplying 2 by 4. So 4 into 2x minus y equal to 30. 4 2s are 8 minus 4y. 4 3s are 12 and 0. I got the other equation. Now the coefficients are same. Okay. Signs देखो coefficient का. Both are negative. So both are same. So if signs are same, you subtract the two equations. So either subtract 1 from 3 or 3 from 1. Okay. So I'll subtract 3 from 1. Subtracting 3 from 1. So जिसमें से subtract करें वो पहले लिखो 1. So 1 we'll write first and 3 we'll write afterwards. Now we are subtracting, so signs of this equation will change. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, and this becomes minus. Okay, no sign is given means it is positive, so it is negative now. Minus 4y plus 4y will get cancelled. 5x minus 8x will give minus 3x. Okay, do 8 minus 5, that will give 3, but sign of greater number. And 0 minus 120 gives minus 120. Okay, so x is equal to 120 minus 120 upon minus 3. So 3 4s are and 0. So we get plus 40, minus into minus becomes plus. Please don't cancel out minus signs. Okay, mathematically it is wrong. So x is equal to 40. Now we need to find the value of y. So we'll substitute this value in 1, 2 or 3. I'll substitute it in 1. Okay, substituting x equal to 40 in 1. So 5 into 40 minus 4y is equal to 0. So 5 4s are 20 and 0. Shifting 4y over here, it becomes plus 4y. Okay, so y is equal to 200 upon 4. 4 5s are 20 and 0. So y is equal to 50. Okay, we found the values of x and y. We found x as 40 and y as 50. Write down the final statement. The numbers are 40 and 50 respectively. Coming to next question, question number 8. If the numerator of a fraction is increased by 2 and the denominator is decreased by 1, it becomes 2 upon 3. If the numerator is increased by 1 and the denominator is increased by 2, it becomes 1 upon 3. Find the fraction. There is a fraction. Now we know that fraction is numerator upon denominator. Okay, so a fraction is numerator upon denominator. What are the numerators and denominators? We don't know. So let's say that numerator is x, denominator is y. Okay, so the fraction is x upon y. So we have to find this fraction x upon y. What is the value of this fraction? For that we need to find the value of x and y. Let's see what all conditions we are given. First condition is if the numerator of a fraction is increased by 2. Numerator x hai, if you are increasing by 2, so it will become x plus 2, and the denominator is decreased by 1, so denominator is y, it is decreased by 1, so fraction kya ho jayega, it becomes 2 upon 3, so it will be equal to 2 upon 3. Okay, now you just need to cross multiply and solve, you will get a linear equation. Okay, so shifting 3 over here and y minus 1 over here. So 3x plus 3 2s are 6 is equal to 2y minus 2 into 1 gives 2. Shift the variables in LHS and number in RHS. Only numbers को RHS में रखेंगे. So 3x minus 2y and shifting 6 over here, minus 2 minus 6 gives minus 8. We'll get one linear equation. We need one more linear equation. So let's check the other condition. If the numerator is increased by 1 and the denominator is increased by 2, then the fraction becomes 1 upon 3. Okay, so it's very easy. Original fraction x upon y hai, then follow the conditions, you will get two linear equations. So again we will cross multiply. So 3 into x plus 1 is equal to 1 into y plus 2, that is 3x plus 3 is equal to y plus 2. So 3x minus y, 2 minus 3 gives minus 1. We got two linear equations. We just have to solve these two and find the value of x and y. एक बार x and y का वैल्यू मिल गया तो फ्रैक्शन विल बी x upon y. Okay, so let us now write down the statements in proper manner and solve properly. So first we'll write down what is the numerator and what is the denominator. So the numerator is x and denominator is y. Okay, so write down the statement, let the numerator be x and denominator be y. Now what will be the fraction? The fraction will be numerator upon denominator, that is x upon y. Okay, this is the fraction that we have to find. Now what is the first condition? The first condition states that if the numerator is increased by 2 and denominator is decreased by 1, the fraction will become 2 upon 3. We'll solve and we'll get one linear equation. We'll get one more linear equation with the help of the other condition, that is if the numerator is increased by 1 and denominator is increased by 2, the fraction becomes 1 upon 3. We'll get two linear equations. We just have to solve these two. Now if you notice, x ka coefficient is already same. Okay, so I don't need to change the coefficients now. I just have to subtract the two equations. Why subtract? Because 3 का साइन यहाँ पे भी पॉजिटिव है, यहाँ पे भी पॉजिटिव है. So whenever the signs are same, I subtract the two equations. So subtract 2 from 1 or 1 from 2. All right. So subtracting 2 from 1. I'm subtracting 2 from 1. So first I'll write 1. Okay. So 1 is 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 8. And 2 is 3x minus y is equal to minus 1. I'm subtracting this equation, the signs will change. Minus becomes plus, minus becomes plus, and this plus becomes minus. This will get cancelled. Minus 2y plus y, that is minus 2 plus 1 gives minus 1. Okay, that is minus 1y or minus y. Minus 8 plus 1 will give minus 7. Okay. So do 8 minus 1, that will give 7 and sign of greater number. Okay, so we'll get y is equal to plus 7. Okay, now we found the value of y, we need to find the value of x. So substitute the value of y in 1 or 2. So I'll substitute it in 2. Y equal to 7 in 2. So 3x minus 7 is equal to minus 1. So 3x is equal to minus 1 plus 7. So 7 minus 1 gives 6. So x ho jayega 2. Right? 6 upon 3, that will be 2. So we found the values of x and y. Don't stop here. We have to find the fraction. So the fraction is x upon y. So it is equal to 2 upon y is 7. So the fraction is 2 upon 7. So box the values of x and y. Don't forget to write down the final statement. Final statement will be about the fraction. You don't have to just find numerator and denominator. You have to find the entire fraction. Okay, which is 2 upon 7.